Raw and boiled eggs look and feel the same. There is a big difference in what's inside the eggs. Inside the raw egg, the egg white and egg yolk are fluid and can move around inside the shell. Inside the hard-boiled egg, however, the egg white and egg yolk are solid and do not move around inside the shell. When you spin the hard-boiled egg, everything moves together and the egg will continue in a smooth spinning motion. If the egg spins quickly and steadily like a top, the egg is hard-boiled. Its center of gravity is stable. If it spins slowly, it has a major wobble, or it's tough to spin at all, it's raw.